I think it was a wonderful program, and I really want to thank you and congratulate both Milind sir and you for doing this wonderful job. And the main USP, what I feel is it covered and touched upon the multiple points. Covering, we started right from the purpose, we can say ikigai, then risk, and to the investments how we should do. So these are the very core pointers of the life which were addressed in a quite precise and quite logical manner, rather than giving it presenting it in a theoretical approach. The content was very much logical and up to the point and precise. So I think it's a perfect program for the youth, which would be useful as early as they can attend it and can be put into good use. So I would say wonderful content, wonderful presentation, wonderful organization of this, and much more to go ahead. Let's continue this. Thank you.
We've all had a very good time, and I think this session has been a cheat code for everyone from our generation, and anyone who is in the age group of 22, 23, 24, even too much older age should definitely attend this program. Not only is it like how my colleague just mentioned, it's not just a theoretical approach, very practical aspects of life, even such as how you should select your life partner. All these practical aspects of a young person's life were explained in detail, and how you can live a lifestyle which you enjoy, not only till your retirement age, but to the end of your life. And you can plan it from the beginning of your life, beginning of your professional life, to make sure that everything goes on smoothly and you don't have to worry in the future. So I think that's very important. And probably the previous generation did not have that knowledge, but now that they are passing it on over to us, we can, have a simpler and a more comfortable life. Yeah.
Good, thank you.
So I really enjoyed this session. Like, I was not expecting it to be so good, frankly. So when I was invited to this session, and I was like, okay, I'm spending a whole day. I get to spend my holiday here, but I was a bit ambiguous of not attending it or not. But trust me, like at the end of the session, I just regret for you to not having this session earlier and me not attending it at a previous age. I'm 25. I wish this session some sort of session like this I would have attended at 20, so that I would have got a perspective of life, of how to manage my finances, how to live it. And it was a beautiful session. The presentation was combined with videos which actually understandable videos, simplified videos, which actually gave us an insight of the daily smaller things in life which we take it for granted, such as money, right? Okay, money, we use it daily, but we didn't know how it evolved, how the stock market evolved, and how people started investing and all that stuff. So I think it was a really great session, and I would recommend all of you to join the session, whoever the next participant will be. Thank you.
I really liked the session. I mean, a lot of people at this age, they don't really know what they want and how they should go ahead with their finances and what they should do with their time. So I would say that instead of what I've seen a lot of people doing in my generation, they should spend their time in sessions like these, which will teach you a lot about how you should obviously manage your finances and what you should do. I really liked it a lot.
Good, thank you.
My name is Vedant. I'm 20 years old, and I'm my degree is coming to an end. My plan is to have a job, do my job 2 years in Pune only, and then go for my masters. So this session has given me a very wide perspective on how I should plan ahead. I was missing a lot of details here, which should have been obvious to me, and I should have learned them. But it's never too late to learn. So I'm glad I attended this. The only part, it was a very, very wonderful session. And to be honest, Vaishnavi is the luckiest person here to be attending it because she's just 18 and like she said, a lot of people lack this obvious perspective. And everyone really needs this. Those who don't know this, of course. So yeah, thank you.
Good, thank you.
हॅलो BYS ग्रुप. सो काल आम्हाला जो गायडन्स दिला BYSच्या वर्कशॉपमध्ये त्याचा मला प्रॅक्टिकली खूप फायदा होतोय. म्हणजे आजचा एकच दिवस झाला आहे आज, पण तरी मी त्याचे काही की पॉईंट्स नोट करून घेतले होते आणि आय एम वर्किंग ऑन दॅट. मी काही म्हणजे जसं की ते दिव्यकीर्ती जे सर होते त्यात विवेक दिव्यकीर्ती त्यांचं त्याने सांगितलं किंवा शेअर मार्केट्सचे काही स्टॉक्सचे काही टेक्निक्स सांगितले, काही पॉईंट्स सांगितले, पॉइंटर्स सांगितले. सो आज सकाळपासून पण मी ते पॉइंटर्सवरती इव्हॅल्युएशन करायला सुरुवात केली आणि मला त्याचा म्हणजे अजून काहीच तास झालेत पण तरी मला त्यात युजफुलनेस त्याचा जाणवतो आहे. सो आय होप जर मी अख्खं लेक्चर बसू शकले असते तर मला आणखी छान फायदा मिळाला असता त्याचा. पण डेफिनेटली म्हणजे हा एक खूप चांगला उपक्रम चालू केलेला आहे. माझ्या फ्रेंड्सना म्हणजे जेव्हा ते मला माहिती होतं म्हणजे त्यांना की मी अशी जाणार आहे वर्कशॉपला किंवा काही, सो आता जेव्हा मी त्यांना रिव्ह्यू देईन माझ्या फ्रेंड्सना तेव्हा आय विल डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड हा वर्कशॉप. आणि मी तुला असं सजेस्ट करेन जर ठाण्यामधून म्हणजे आता पुण्याचं तर आहेच डेफिनेटली, पण जर ठाण्यामधून पण जास्त एन्क्वायरीज असतील किंवा माझ्या फ्रेंड्सना पण इंटरेस्ट असेल किंवा त्यांच्या फ्रेंड्सना, सो आय वुड सजेस्ट यू की तू ठाण्याचा पण विचार करू शकतोस. ठाणा आय मीन ठाणा मुंबई असं ओव्हरऑल, पण डेफिनेटली तू विचार करू शकतोस. आणि वन्स अगेन थँक्यू सो मच फॉर खूप खूप व्हॅल्युएबल गायडन्स आणि क्वालिटी नॉलेज दिल्याबद्दल. सो थँक्यू. बाय बाय.
And to be honest, I was always known to suck at math and to not know any formulas and anything else. But today, in this lecture or this talk, this session, I learned a lot about the main thing like the finance and how to manage your investments and all of the things that I had no idea about. That how it should be done properly and how it had been done for so long and I had no idea about it. And I'm actually quite glad that I got to attend this and got this information because I didn't have it for so long.
Sorry.
And it is actually very valuable and I think it will be very helpful for me in the future.
Good.
So, majority of us in the session are from an engineering background and we have no idea as to how the stock market works or how we are supposed to manage our funds in an optimal way. So what this session obviously taught us how to do that, but more than that, it taught us how you have to live your life in a very optimal way, or should I say in a way that you are able to maximize your potential and you enjoy your life in that way as well. So this session was 7 or 8 hour session and I was expecting that maybe we would fall asleep sometime, that I would fall asleep, but no, that did not happen. I think that is in such a way that we were able to not only maintain our focus, but we were never bored at any point of time, and I think it was a wonderful presentation to say the least.
Good, thank you.
I think it was really wonderful session. It was very informative and it was not at all monotonous. The various topics were covered in very short span, and I think it is the best way for any young person from 25 to 35, as they have mentioned, to understand. Like, we only think about earning money, but we never plan about how we can manage it, or actually we don't think about these small things. So it was very informative and very helpful. Thank you.
Okay, one more thing, just wait. Actually, I forgot to mention, today is her birthday. So we must, happy birthday. Happy
So I
birthday.
would say I'm glad that I spent my birthday here because
It's a very good investment.
I really like this.
Good.
The variety of topics which Milind has brought, with clubbing them and relating them to videos, makes very practical sense. The topics covered from personal life to finance to career to life, all aspects are covered. So I'm sure there are many takeaways, and make sure that you make maximum out of this, as well as you ask others to make maximum out of this.
Concluding session, I wanted to tell those who are attending this kind of session first time, because having spent my time in Thermax, we have been taught like this over a period of time on variety of small things. We had attended a program, you would be surprised, in 1995 or 96 on how to travel. 1 day program. What was covered in how to travel? How to give your passport on the counter. Where to keep your bag. Okay, how to read your ticket. Okay, so this is the culture I was brought in, that somebody like R.D. Agha, who is a visionary, he thought this is important. If you are in export, you should know how to read your ticket. So I remembered a lecture by Mr. Nathu, who in 1995 had traveled to more than some 100 countries. So he called him, he said, you tell these guys, there are some 15 of us, how to be good at even simple thing as travel. So I value such training quite a bit. That is why I am very keen to spread this kind of knowledge and awareness. Another thing what you must differentiate is that information is not wisdom. Information is available on YouTube. You Google it and you get it. But what is important is what is the wisdom in it. And that is not available. There are on the fractional resource system more than 1000 videos. But I found that one video. So extracted, oversimplified wisdom is what is important. Because otherwise there is flood of information. So there is a value to it, and I want to tell this to those who priced it below 1000, that this is not below 1000 stuff. This is somewhere between 3000 to 5000 rupees. So when you want to now recommend to somebody, you have to tell him that this is not something which is cheap. This is the result of the experience of 30 years and experience of refined experience. This is what I have become by what I have done. I have said in the presentation that what is important is that what you become by it. So this is a net result of that. It is not available at 1000 rupees. Understand? So price point I am going to promote it. I request all of you to recommend one person for next program minimum, and I will be doing it in February, and once in a month or even twice in a month as we progress. It's not a money earning idea. I have many other things. I've shown you where I can earn my money. But idea is that I spread this wisdom, and this much ahead of before it is too late. So thank you for being part of this, and I look forward to one nomination from you next time. Okay, thank you.